Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put 9 pages in one pages or how to make 9 pages in one page. Open your PDF file and select page organize option. Here you will find this merge pages option, select here, and here you can change standard page size and also custom page size. You can change page orientation if you like, and this page margin you can change. You can select a specific page range. I'll select all page and select your file type. You can select booklet. I'll select multiple page per sheet and custom paper. Here you will find this 9 page and select this and see this, and you can change this page order. You can make it vertical and see this. You can make it reverse and make it horizontal and see this, and you can change horizontal alignment and vertical alignment if you want, and you can uncheck remove the source page after merging them, uncheck, and see this page review. Total 18 pages and created 2 pages. See this, and finally select OK and see this. Each page put on 9 pages. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.